Hey guys, it's Leon. Today I got me a dual screen monitor for your laptop. Pretty excited about this product because I've been seeing this on Amazon a lot. I've been wanting one myself. I'm happy to say that this company actually reached out to me and asked me to test out this product. So that's what we're doing today, guys. We are going to test this product out on my MacBook Pro. I have a 15-inch, and so we're gonna test that thing out. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox this, take a look at it and see what's all inside. Okay, so inside the case, we got the dual monitor right here, which we'll take a look at it in a little bit. Then we got ourselves two USB-C cords. This is USB-A to USB-C. I'm assuming that this is used to, like, I don't know, charge the laptop or something like that. So we'll have to take a look at that. Then we got ourselves USB-C to USB-C. This is probably what my Mac's gonna be using because since my Mac has all USB-C. And then you got yourself some mini HDMI to regular HDMI. In case you're actually using some of the newer Macs that has the HDMI ports, you can use these as well. So awesome there. But now let's go ahead and try this thing right here on my MacBook. Let's take a look. So right here. My laptop is a 15-inch MacBook Pro, and there's still a little bit more room for it to expand out, if you notice. So probably a 17-inch will fit just fine on here. And that's how it would look right there, guys. I think that looks great. It's pretty sturdy, but look at this, okay? I haven't popped this thing out yet. So let's see here. Maybe right there. There we go. This actually works pretty well. Yeah, I can definitely see myself using this for sure. Yeah, this actually works very well. So now let's say if you want to just fold it in and take off for the day, you have to twist this thing. Close that. Now, I believe you have to close one hinge over the other first. Let me move this thing right here. So I'm assuming that I'm going to close this first. No, I want to close the other one first. Does it make a difference? Yes, it does make a difference. This thing, this side, the right-hand side, on my right-hand side, it's got to go in first, and then the left-hand side goes in. Because of this little hinge right here, you see how this is smaller than this hinge? Yeah, this is made so you can double stack like this. And I can't really close my laptop because, as you can see right here, the rubber piece is there. So can I close my laptop? Wow, okay, yeah, I can. Okay, so as long as you can close your laptop, this thing, you can actually attach this thing on here just to show you how it's holding it all together. I mean, I wouldn't carry it around like this for very long, but it's good just to have it, right? Just to be able to have it all in one piece. So just an FYI, guys, this is MacBook Pro. It's pretty thick, and this thing still are holding both together. It actually works pretty well. I'm very surprised. All right, guys, so I've got this thing hooked up right now. Once again, all I have to do is just plug in these USB-C cords because I'm using my Mac, which is all USB-C. Okay, so now I've configured my Windows to where, you know, it knows the left and the right and stuff like that. I could just drag from one end over to another. So what I had to do was I had to go into the setting here and actually turn up the brightness. It was kind of dull at first when I first started. So once I got that configured, it looks like it matches with my main monitor a bit better. Obviously, you know, with this Mac, the LCD that's on here is a lot brighter. So I was matching it up, and now I think turning up the backlight actually helps. So as soon as you get this, make sure you turn up the backlight. to make sure that it's brighter. It's very, very bright. So second thing, the resolution. These come default with 1080p resolution. All right, so I left it the way it is because, well, my eyes, I can't really read if I make it any smaller, but you can up the resolution even more. I think this one, so it will go up to 1600 by 900. That's the resolution that you can up it to, but I left it at 1080p. So, all right, so last but not least, what I wanna do is I actually have a little, I don't know what you call these retro machine here, where I have an HDMI. I wanna plug it into this monitor over here, and then I'm gonna see if it works. If it does, it's pretty awesome. Okay, so I booted up my emulator machine here, and I've hooked it directly up to here, and it actually looks really good. All right, so for this next one, I wanna talk a little bit about what I've noticed, just my first like 30 minutes. All right, so first, I just wanna talk about my 30 minutes of usage of this thing and what I noticed so far. And it's probably important to some of you. First off, if you look at the panel right here, there's mini HDMI, there's 2 USB-C port as well. The thing is, both of those works with data and charging. All right, so you can actually plug in your USB-C to either one of those and it'll work. I deliberately plug one screen into the bottom one, and then the other screen I plug into the top one, and both works, you know, like nothing. So yeah, both of those, they're not just dedicated to just charging like some of those other portable screen that I have. Some of them is just dedicated to charging versus data. This one right here does both. Secondly, this little hinge right here that holds onto your laptop, it's actually pretty thick. So if you have a thick bezel on your computer, on your laptop, this thing will be able to handle it, I'm pretty sure. Okay folks, so last but not least, I want to show you guys something. I noticed there were some arrows right here and they were trying to tell me something without reading the instruction manual. I figured it out. You can actually remove the LCD screen and have it just on its own. And that's why this kickstand is right here, so that you can use it as a standalone if you wanted to. Pretty cool, very cool. So let me just show you how to do it real quick. First, all you do is just push this up, and then now you can just take it out. There we go. Now it's a standalone. Yep. With the kickstand, and you got 2 monitors just sitting there. All right, so there you have it, guys. That's the dual monitor for your laptop right there. Love this thing. I want to thank this company for sending this out to me. I think I am going to use this and drop this in my backpack just so that I can have dual monitor when I'm sitting at Starbucks. I can't wait. Anyway, that's it for me. I'm out of here. Have a good one. Bye-bye.